Meaning of learning. Learning is a very complex process and there is no fixed definitions of learning. The activity or process of gaining knowledge or skill, studying, practicing, being taught or experiencing something. The activity of someone who learns. Learning can be defined as the acquiring, addition, modification, alternation etc. in learned behavior, understanding, knowledge, values, etc. Learning involves adding new information to your memory. According to Crow and Crow, learning is the acquisition of habits, knowledge and skills. Learning theories indicate only how pupil learn, while teaching helps in acquiring this learning. Types of learning. Cognitive learning. It can be defined as the acquiring of information, understanding, memorization, recalling when necessary. This is known as intellectual learning. Even learning anything is not possible without cognitive skills, and most of the learning is linked to cognitive learning, and it is a very complex process. Psychomotor learning. This is linked with our action, how we learn actions. In this type of learning our physiology play important role. Without mind, how we see others and imitate and then refine those skills and finally learn some action. For e.g., riding a bicycle, swimming, playing any game. This type of learning requires coordination between brain and body. In institution we learn practical skills through this type of learning. Affective learning. This type of learning relates with that how we include emotions and feelings, how we value learning, likes and dislikes in learning, some behavior should be done or not, etc. In this type of learning, we receive, respond, value, organize and characterize of information. Discriminative learning. This concept of learning was given by Robert M. Gagne, and he put this learning on 5th level before the concept learning in the hierarchical classification of types of learning. In this learning, he said that if the concept is clear, comparison and discrimination can be easy and same process can be accepted for other kinds of concept. Concomitant, collateral learning. This kind of learning can be defined as the basic instinct of human being that we also learn unconsciously through our environment. We learn attitudes, values, likes and dislikes from our environment. For e.g., if the society near us is honest, loyal, supportive, we will like them through unconsciously learning. Nature of learning. Modification of behavior is learning. Learning is positive and negative. Learning is a continuous process. Learning is a process of growth and problem solving. Learning is social and intelligent. Learning is an active process. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more videos.